All right, over here in Winter Haven, doing a re-inspection. We did this original home inspection last week sometime. So let's see if they fixed anything. Antioxidant paste still missing. Couple spots.
The windows should be sealed at the exterior to keep rain from getting in. That's not going to stop much. This is an interior style plumbing cover. On the exterior of the house here, got gaps all the way around and a big hole cut in it. Not having downspouts is going to cause all the dirt to wash out from underneath the foundation. Somebody's added a new ground line for the electrical system. This is a 10 gauge wire. It's a little too small. It needs to be 6 or bigger, something like this.
So it looks like they fixed some easy stuff, but still left some things unrepaired. Better luck next time.